Hi, it's Jacob here, and in this quick Tinkercad video, I'm going to show you how the AR mode works on the iPad. Here you can see I've got a 3D model of the Pantheon in Rome that I've made with my students, and of course I can move around it and explore it in that 3D space on the work plane. But actually we can explore it in our own space in the classroom we're currently in by using the augmented reality mode. That means you can scale up your models as big as you want and walk through the Pantheon, or have it teeny tiny on your desk. They both work just as well. To get started, we're going to tap onto the AR viewer in the top toolbar, and it will just take a moment for that to load. Then you're going to see the camera open up, and you're going to see your room that you're currently in. For me, I've got my desk in front of me, and it's inviting me to tap wherever I want that model to appear. If you're not getting this screen, just slowly pan your iPad left to right, and it will detect a horizontal surface to use. I'm going to tap here, and whoa, that's massive. So by default, Tinkercad will use the measurements that you've given it in the app, and it will make a life-size version in the space you're currently in. My Pantheon isn't life-size, I didn't use it in meters, I measured it in centimeters instead, but you get the idea, it's still pretty big for my desk. But I can just use 2 fingers to pinch and zoom and to even rotate that object to place it exactly as I want on my desk. And then when I'm ready I can move the iPad, and I can tap the camera button on the right-hand side. That will save a photograph of what I've just seen straight into the Photos app on the iPad. And this is a really fun thing to do with your students. If you've made a building, you can scale it up really large by pinching and zooming, and then you can move the iPad and walk through that building, seeing all of the detail and really getting the scale of what you've made. But it works just as well for small objects as well. You can use 1 finger to reposition it on the table, 2 fingers to zoom, and 2 fingers to twist and rotate. So you can really customize where this object is and how it exists in your world. When you're done, you can close the AR viewer, and you can go back to editing it in 3D in Tinkercad. Have a little play with this now, and I'll see you in the next video in this series, where I'm going to show you a couple of clever things to group and duplicate items to save you a ton of time. I'll see you soon.